stayed at the Rio Papayas in Maspalomas, quite the touristy spot if you ask me. Rio gifted us a bottle of sparkling wine to celebrate the moment of turning 31. Me and my wife had some plans, but we're open to whatever came to our path. The first thing we did was fly our drone at Dunas de las Palomas, which was quite breathtaking. These dunes were created by the Sahara Desert sand and are up to 20 meters high. My wife wanted to learn to fly the drone, so we decided this was the spot. Some research at home pointed out that Las Palmas in the north was the place to be for waves and surf shops. We met this guy working in the surf shop called Link, and he hooked us up with an amazing service and all the information we needed about where and when we would be able to find some amazing waves. First wave was at Caesar, a sandy beach in Las Palmas. To get in, I had to fight a strong current. Considering I turned 31 and my conditions are not what it used to be, made this quite a fight. I did catch a couple of good waves though. Later this day we went to El Confital, a popular wave over a rocky reef. This is where I took the wave of a lifetime. Nice barrel that lasted around 10 seconds. My wife decided she could now fly after one lesson of flying drones and took off to fly over the ocean. And she did make these amazing shots. From El Confital, we took some awesome roads heading for El Frontón. These roads are not for the faint-hearted. Once we got to El Frontón, I could see why many speak of this wave being godlike. It sucked that there was nobody surfing. I decided I would not go in and be all by myself. But just so you can see what I'm talking about, I did fly my drone out here to show you some of the waves and the reef that they are breaking over. From El Frontón we went to Balcón de Miradores. This is a viewing point from which you can enjoy some amazing views and even see other Canary Islands. After the balcony, we went to Barranca de los Vacas, which is a canyon like no other. It's not big, but definitely worth your while. The next day, we went to Puerto de Mogan, where you can enjoy being a tourist. Nice beach, nice stores with a very nice view. We went snorkeling to see some of the caves hidden underneath the cliffs. Like this, I want to thank you all for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because there's a lot more coming.